What if your brain could boost your performance, reduce stress, or even speed up recovery, just because you believe it can? Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. It's science. It's the placebo effect. And it might be one of the most underrated tools in mental training. The placebo effect is a real, measurable change in the body or mind, triggered not by the thing you took, but by your beliefs that it works. In sports psychology, it has been shown that athletes can lift more, run longer, and feel less pain after taking fake supplements, because they expect results. One study gave runners a performance-enhancing drink. It was just water, but they ran significantly faster. The brain doesn't just react, it creates. When you believe something will help you, your brain releases actual chemicals like dopamine, endorphins, even natural painkillers. This isn't imagination, it's biology. Your belief kicks off a cascade of physical responses. Neuroscientist Fabrizio Benedetti has shown that placebo responses can be almost identical to those triggered by real drugs. So how can you use this in your own training or coaching? Well, think about routines, breathing exercises, a specific song, a gesture before you perform. These symbols build expectations. If you believe that breathing deeply will center you, it probably will. If a ritual helps you focus, your brain prepares to focus. Coaches who earn trust create stronger placebo effects, because belief amplifies results. Here's the key. Using the placebo effect doesn't mean you're being dishonest. You're designing mental triggers, like anchoring techniques, that align your beliefs with your goals. It's not faking it, it's training belief as a tool, just like visualization or breath work. It's a part of your mental performance toolkit. Your mind is not just a passenger, it's in the driver's seat. What you believe about your training, your tools, your body matters more than you think. So next time you step into a challenge, ask yourself, what do I expect to happen? Your answer might shape your reality. Believe it's going to be a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.